In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Microsoft Edge sync data so you can fix issues or start fresh. First, open Microsoft Edge on your device. Then go to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. From the drop-down, select Settings to access your browser options. In the Settings page, click on Profiles from the left sidebar. Here, you'll see your account information. Click on Sync to view all the data types currently being synced, such as favorites, settings, passwords, and more. To begin the process, turn off all sync options by toggling each one off. This disconnects your data from syncing across devices. After that, scroll down and look for the option related to resyncing. You can click the Resync button to refresh your sync data if you're troubleshooting minor issues. If you want to completely delete your sync data, find and click on Reset Sync or Reset Sync for Microsoft servers. Confirm the action when prompted. This will remove all synced data stored in your Microsoft account from the cloud. Once done, your sync data is cleared, and you can start fresh by turning sync back on if needed. That's it. This process helps you reset your Microsoft Edge sync completely and regain control over your synced data.